Hi everyone, Joe Gentili from Saroff Gentili LLP. In today's video, we're going to talk about challenging naturalization denials in federal court. So if you applied to naturalize and your application was unfortunately denied, and you filed an N-336 to appeal that denial within USCIS, and that was denied as well, then the next step would be to challenge that denial in federal court. And the good news is that the standard that judges decide those cases are more favorable in naturalization cases for the immigrants and in other types of cases where USCIS issues a denial. So in most instances of USCIS denials, the immigrant has to show that the denial was arbitrary and capricious, which is very favorable to the agency. It's hard to show. It's possible. Cases are won on that standard, but it's difficult. For naturalization cases, federal judges review those cases de novo. What that means is they review them from scratch. They do not have to defer to USCIS's judgment on either the law or the facts. The federal judge decides it from anew. So this is a really favorable standard for the immigrants that want to contest these cases. So these are generally good cases to bring if you think that USCIS made a mistake in evaluating your case. So the time frame to bring the case, according to the rules, you get 120 days from the date of the N-336 denial to bring your case. That's a pretty short time period. So if you get an N-336 denial, it's good to consult with an attorney as soon as possible to make sure you have time to evaluate your case and your attorneys have time to put together a proper complaint for you. So if you miss that 120-day deadline, it's not necessarily the end of the world, and it doesn't necessarily mean that you can't bring a case. There is case law out there that says that the rules setting this 120-day deadline are not enforceable because an agency can't make rules that limits what a federal court can do in terms of deciding a case that's in their jurisdiction. So if you're past 120 days, it's still worth considering bringing a case. So thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. And if you like this content, I encourage you to subscribe. Thank you.